Let's move.
Let's get on with it.
These things have stayed interesting. Need to find a way forward.
Mole, we've got trouble! You're not supposed to be here.
What's up for discussion?
Well, look who's come to visit. My kids say you've been busy since you got here. Messing with our business. Yeah? You let that adventurer hit Melly. Now, you're going to pay for it. Is that right? Fine. You get one more chance. We're done here. Get lost! Little slow on the uptake, aren't you? And I hear you have a problem. A few things are missing from your pack. Is that right? Maybe we can do something about this. Anyway, you want to talk? Talk. We're saving up for a better hideout when we get to Baldur's Gate. Why? You planning on telling me stealing is wrong? So what? Should we be panicking like everyone else? We have a plan. We're the ones who'll end up on top in the gate. Anything else? Maybe one of the kids picked up something of yours by mistake. I couldn't say. Might help if you paid the inspection fee. I could take a look. The rats, huh? The stone's on you. Have it your way. Here you go. Won't happen again. And to make sure none of the kids on the job outside mess with you, show them this. You got it. Now, we done here, or what? I do, as a matter of fact. Revenge. You saw what those bastards that run the place were doing to Arabella, scaring the precious mite. I want to steal that big, shiny idol they're all chanting at. The important thing is to get it away from them. That ritual's gonna get us all killed. And we can sell it once we get to the city. Thing like that's gotta be worth a small fortune. Sure. When we sell it in the city, I'll make sure you get your cut. Be careful. They look as brittle as old bark. But they're vicious. Anything else? Anything else? Then, you got your junk back. Never see us coming.
You're not supposed to be here. Mole, we've got trouble. You're not supposed to be here. You don't look so tough. Mole fought off a hobgoblin all by herself. Mole! We've got trouble!
We're going to own that town.
You're not supposed to be here. Mole! We've got trouble! To be here.
There is work to do.
No time to rest.
What am I to do?
Still breathing, despite everything. Should mind my step.